You can fit about 31,000 miles of string around the Earth at the equator. Let me repeat that. You can fit 31,000 miles of string around the Earth. That's enough string to circle the Earth over 3 times. And this is just the beginning of our string facts. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video, so you won't miss any of them. A standard roll of string contains roughly 400 feet or 122 meters of string. That's a lot of string. But how much string do we actually use in everyday life? The average person uses about 110 feet or 33 meters of string per year. That's enough to make a small necklace or bracelet. In the US alone, we use over 10 billion feet or 3 billion meters of string every year. That's enough to wrap the Earth over 187 times. But where does all this string come from? The majority of string is made from nylon, a synthetic material that was invented in 1935. Before nylon, string was made from natural materials like hemp and linen. One of the strongest types of string is called spectra, which is often used for sailing and boating. Spectra is so strong that it can support over 234 times its own weight. That means if you were to hang a 100-pound weight on a 400-foot roll of spectra, it would be able to support it without breaking. Speaking of strength, did you know that the world record for tying a shoelace with one hand is 1.23 seconds? The record was set in 2006 by Ben McCloskey from Ireland. Now, let's move on to some fun facts about famous strings. Did you know that the longest string quartet in history had 105 members? The performance took place in Venezuela in 2009 and was part of a larger event called the National System of Youth and Children Orchestras. And finally, we have a fun fact about a very famous string. Did you know that the Leaning Tower of Pisa is actually held together by a string? The tower was built in 1173 and is famous for its tilt. But what many people do and know is that the tower is also held together by a steel cable that runs through its center. The cable was installed in 1990 and is there to prevent the tower from collapsing. So there you have it, some amazing facts about string. I hope you enjoyed learning them as much as I did researching them. And remember, if you want to see more videos like this, stay tuned.